This AZUNO 3-in-1 digital tire gauge combines measuring, inflating, and deflating in a single tool, which makes routine tire maintenance much faster and simpler. The digital display is bright and easy to read, and it tracks pressure accurately, all the way up to 200 pounds per square inch, which is ideal for everything from passenger cars to light trucks. Its fine resolution of 0.1 on the pressure readout gives very precise control when you are dialing in exact tire pressures for safety, fuel economy, or performance. The integrated air blow gun delivers strong airflow for clearing dust and debris, and it connects cleanly to standard 1/4-inch NPT air compressor fittings. Automatic screen illumination and auto shut-off after a short idle period make the gauge convenient to use while also conserving battery power in a garage or shop setting. The overall construction feels solid and durable, and it handles a wide range of tasks from vehicle tires to inflatable gear, so it can easily serve as a primary gauge for home or professional use.